The Weatherization Assistance Program, operated by the DENREC Division of Climate, Coastal, and Energy, and under the supervision of the U.S. Department of Energy, reduces energy costs for low-income households by increasing the energy efficiency of their homes.
Especially when I come in from out the cold and it's nice and cozy and warm. You don't really have any drafts and like I used to have in my home, and I'm very pleased, yes.
Very, very, very comfortable. And,
Very comfortable.
And I'm saying for hours.
I don't like cold, and it really did help. And I'm so thankful that they did it.
It has reduced my utility bill in half.
Over 1,000 last year and under 500 this year.
Saving about half since we had the weatherization. Because like I said, when you're on a fixed income, it is what it is.
Yes.
You know, and so it made a big difference.
The guys did really good work, and they went above and beyond.
They was very professional. They understood my disability.
I liked them a whole lot.
When weatherization came in, bill cut in half.
I would recommend it to whoever is out there in need, because it works.
It works.
It definitely works.